Hello, Chef here. What do we have here? Oh, butternut squash. And this one here is organic. How do I know? I know the farmer. It pays to know your farmers. I'm going to turn this butternut squash into butternut squash soup. So follow along. Oh, from the freezer, I've got my vegetable scraps. If you watch my previous videos, then you know I like to save these carrots, onions, celery, garlic, peels, and scraps. This is the beginning of my soup. I'm going to make a vegetable stock. The vegetables go into a pot with water. Bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for 1 hour. A nice vegetable stock should have 1 bay leaf, black peppercorns. How many depends on how much spice you like into your soups. I'm going to put about 5 black peppercorns, and you let it cook. I'll be back. An hour later, I've got a really nice vegetable stock. At this point, I strain it off. We'll continue. Okay, on a ripe butternut squash, you should be able to remove the stem with your hand, like this. Now, using a very sharp Japanese knife, I'm going to peel this. I like to start with the bottom. Give it a little roll like that. To the compost. And then the top. Look at that color. Yeah. And then I start to peel it like this, all the way around, removing minimal amount of the peel. Consider this a lesson. Let's see if your knife is as sharp as mine. I'm just getting all the peel off there. Oh yeah, I like it. Just like that. Garlic, 2 cloves, 1/2 medium onion. By the way, this squash is over 2 pounds. Okay, now, safety. Keep your hand above and the knife below, just like that. Scoop out the seeds. Two perfect half butternut squashes, looking good. At this point, I like to put on the cut stop glove. Using a very sharp Japanese knife, and I'm looking for a large dice. However, it doesn't need to be uniform because it's going to get pureed down the road. So what I like to do is work on a couple of these at once like this. Just go with a large chunk like this, and that's why I put the glove on. This is very, very slippery. Can be dangerous. The glove stops the knives. That's what I'm looking for right there. Heavy duty sauce pot. 3 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. Onions and garlic. Let it cook. Looking good. At this point, I add my butternut squash. Let it cook for a few minutes. I'm putting a pinch of nutmeg. Pinch of white pepper. Pink sea salt. This one, of course, is the Hawaiian. You can use the Himalayan if that's all you got. Vegetable stock. Cover your squash. At this point, we want to bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer. Go at least 30 minutes. I'll be back. Simmering until the squash is tender. Oh, it smells so good. You must try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right down there. At this point we taste and adjust the seasonings. Wow! Really, really good. Next step, I'm going to puree it. By the way, I'm using a commercial immersion blender. This is the big boy. This one will handle several gallons. Titanium blade, stainless steel shaft, basically unbreakable. And that's what it looks like once it's pureed. Wash off my tasting spoon. There we go. Once more, taste and adjust the seasonings. Wow, very good. I do like to add a little bit of heavy cream, half a cup, or milk. It really depends on what you have available. Yep. The finished butternut squash soup. Wow. Try this recipe. Like, share, subscribe. The finished butternut soup. Quite often I'll serve a small bowl of this to a customer or client, or working in the test kitchen. Just like this. Got about 5 ounces there. 6 ounces. And sometimes I'll make it two-tone. For two-tone I'm going to use some reduced heavy cream. Put just a little bit of the heavy cream right in the center, like this. Toothpick. So now we have two-tone butternut squash with a floral pattern. A little something green in the middle like this. A little bit of herbs. Yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow, beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well. And yeah, the butcher block. Yeah. I use a clean white towel. Wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax.